Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another video which is about active and passive voices of imperative sentence. We know that an imperative sentence expresses a command, order, request, advice, etc. Accordingly, there are different rules as per the expression. Therefore, we will learn this one after another. That is the first one. If the sentence is an order or a command, then we have to apply this structure. That is, the structure of active voice will be don plus first form of the verb plus object. If it is a negative sentence. But if it is an affirmative sentence, then this tone will not be there. The sentence will be first form of the verb plus object. So, this sentence, in order to change into passive voice, we have to apply this formula. That is, let plus object. If negative sentence, we will put this not. If it is an affirmative sentence, then we will not use this not. Plus P plus the verb, we will change into third form. So let us learn this by taking some examples. That is, open your textbook. So here, open is the verb and your textbook is the object. Open is the first form of the verb and object is your textbook. So, in order to change this into passive voice, we will apply this formula. Since this is an affirmative sentence, so we will not use this not. So, as per the formula, we will start the sentence by let plus object, your textbook will come, your textbook, plus P, and the verb open, we will change into third form, that is opened. Let your textbook be opened. Like this, we can change into passive voice. Another one, that is, don't skip the video. This is a negative sentence. Because of that, the sentence is starting by tone as per the structure. So, in order to change this into passive voice, we will apply this formula by using this not also. That is, let this skip is the verb and the video is the object. So, let after that we will bring the object. Let the video, after that we will use this not because this is a negative sentence. After that be, let the video not be skip. Not be skip. Yes, we can change into passive voice like this. Let the video not be skip. Okay, third example, that is, look here. You see, here look is the verb and here this is an adverb. Here is not an object. So this is an intransitive verb. So if the verb is intransitive, then we cannot apply this formula. Why? Because there is no object. So if it is an intransitive verb, then we have to apply another formula. That is, we have to remember one phrase. That is, you are ordered. You are ordered. You are ordered to, and after that, we have to remember this, you are ordered to. After that, the sentence of the basic active voice will bring as it is. That is, you are ordered to look here. Likewise, this sentence also like this, but this is a negative sentence, so we have to put not in this sentence. That is, you are ordered. You are ordered. After that, we will put the not. You are ordered not to go there. In this way, we can change an order or command in this way by applying these two formula. So, this first formula we can apply if it is a transitive verb. That means if an object is there after the verb, if an object is there, then we will apply this formula. But we cannot apply this let formula for intransitive verb. But this second formula, that is you are ordered to, this can be applied in both intransitive as well as transitive verb. That is, by applying this formula, we can change this first and second sentences also. That is, you are ordered to open your textbook. We can apply this formula for both transitive and intransitive verb. Similarly, we can apply to this also, that is, you are ordered not to skip the video. That means the second formula can be applied in both transitive and intransitive verbs. Next one, that is, if the sentence is advice or suggestion, then in order to change into passive voice, we have to apply this formula. That is, object plus should. If it is negative sentence, we will use this not. If it is an affirmative, then we will not use this not, plus be plus the verb will change into third form. That is, let us take some example and change this into passive voice. That is, respect your elders. So here, respect is the verb and your elders is the object. So, in order to change this passive into passive voice, we will start a sentence by object, that is, your elders, after that should. Since this is an affirmative sentence, so we will not use this not. Your elders should, after that be, your elders should be, and the verb we will change into third form, that is, respected. Your elders should be respected. Second one, that is, this is a negative sentence, so we have to use this not also. Don't tell a lie. So here, tell is the verb and a lie is the object. So we have to start a sentence by the object, that is a lie. After that should, a lie should. This is a negative sentence, so we have to put not also. A lie should not, and be. After that, tell we will change into third form, that is told. A lie should not be told. In this way, we can change into passive voice if it is a transitive verb. But the third and fourth example, this is an intransitive verb. That is, you see, get up early in the morning. Here there is no object. So, if it is an intransitive verb, then here also we have to remember one phrase. That is, you are advised. After that, the sentence of the active voice we will bring as it is. You are advised to get up. You are advised to get up early in the morning. Second one, this is also intransitive verb. Don't smoke. Smoke is the verb. Don't is the helping verb in negative form. And here also there is no object. So similarly, here also we will apply this formula, the second formula. But this is a negative sentence, so we have to put not also. That is, you are advised. Only after the advised not will come, you are advised not to. You are advised not to after that. Since this tone, it is changed into not to, so we will bring the verb, smoke. This tone is changed into not to, so we will not use this tone in this sentence, but we will just bring the verb smoke. That is, you are advised not to smoke. Similarly, this rule number one, we can apply if the verb is transitive verb, but we cannot apply this rule number 1 if it is an intransitive verb. But this rule number 2 can be applied in both transitive as well as intransitive verb. That means by using this formula, we can change this sentence number 1 and 2 also. That is, you are advised to respect your elders, or you are advised not to tell a lie. Next one, that is, if the sentence is a request, then it is very easy. It is only one formula, that is, you are requested. If this negative not, if it is an affirmative, you will not use this not. You are requested to, after that, you will bring the same sentence as it is. But we have to remove the request words. That is, in request, like this word, kindly or please. This type of words will be there. You see this please. So, this kindly or please, we have to remove, and after writing this phrase, we will bring down the sentence as it is. In this way, we can change into passive voice. That is, we will write this phrase, kindly subscribe this channel. This is an affirmative sentence, so we will not use this not. So, you are requested to, after that, you are requested to plus same means as it is, the sentence. Same as the sentence in the active voice. You are requested to. We have to remove this request word only. Kindly, please. This type of words we have to remove. You are requested to subscribe this channel. Similarly, second one also we can change like this, but this is a negative sentence. Tone is there, so we have to use not. That is, this is also same thing. We have to put only the verb not. You are requested not. You are requested not to. After that, since this tone is changed into not to, so we will not use this tone also, and we will not use this please also. You are requested not to disturb me. And third one also, please like this video. This is also same thing. This is an affirmative sentence, so we will not use not. That is, you are requested to like this video. Like this video. So, in order to change the request into passive voice, it is very easy. We have to remember this phrase only, that is, you are requested to. And if it is a negative sentence, you are requested not to. And we will remove the request words, that is, kindly or please. By removing that, the remaining we will bring as it is. That is, we will bring the same sentence as it is in active voice. In this way, we can change the request into passive voice. Next one, that is let sentences. That is, if the sentence is beginning by let, then we have different rules. That is, in order to change the let sentences into passive voice, we have different rules. That is, this is the rule. Let plus second object plus be plus third form of the verb plus by first object. So, by taking this example, let us try to change this into passive voice. So here, let him to eat. Here we have two objects. Him is the first object and eat is the second object. Actually, here, him is the doer of the action. That is, him is the subject of this sentence. But this is using an objective case. Why? Because it is coming after the verb let. Because of that, it is using in objective case. Otherwise, this is the subject of the sentence, and the actual object is this one, the second object. So let us try to change this into passive voice by applying these rules. That is, as per the rule, let after that second object will come in the beginning. Let it after that be, let it be, and the verb we will change into third form. So do will change into done. Let it be done by first object. So him is the first object. Let it be done by him. In this way, we can change into passive voice. So in the second example also, we have two objects, that is first object and the second object. So we have to change these two positions. First object will go at the end and the second object will come in the beginning. So as per the rule, let after that second object, so this is the second object, let the problem be third form of the verb. So solve, we will change into solved. Let the problem be solved by and first object. So them is the first object. Let the problem be solved by them. In this way, we can change into passive voice. But in third and fourth example, here we have only one object, that is us. And as I've said, actually the first object in this type of sentences, actually the first object is the doer of the action. That is, this is the subject of the sentence, and the second object, the actual object, is not there. So in this type of case, in this type of situation, we have to apply another formula. That is, this is the formula. It is suggested that subject, that means this pronoun we have to change into nominative case. Us will change into we. After that, we have to put should, and the verb will come as it is. First form of the verb, that is go, will be go only. So as per this formula, we can change like this. It is suggested that, and this pronoun us will change into nominative case, so it will be we. It is suggested that we, and we will use this should, we should, and go, first form of the verb. It is already in the first form of the verb. We should go. It is suggested that we should go. The last one also, we can change like this. It is suggested that, this pronoun us will change into subject, nominative case. We, and we will use the should. We should play. In this way, we can change into passive voice if there is no second object. That means the actual object is not there. So in this type of case, we have to apply this formula. Thank you everyone for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you, one and all.